Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create your first bird and start managing your tasks easily in Trello on your iPhone 12. So let's begin. First, we need to open the Trello and find the plus. It's going to be on your right upper corner. Going to tap on this, and here you have some options. As you want to create a bird, we're going to choose the Create a Bird option. So tap here. So here we have several elements that we can change or fill in. Here we can name our table. I'm going to choose this name. Here we can change the workspace, but I'm going to leave on this one. Also, right here, we can choose which group of people is going to see our board. You can leave as a private, you can get workspace, or you can make it public, as you wish. And the last one, we can choose a background. Colors of photos, I'm going to choose the color, this one, and create. So now we have our board. Inside our pod, we can make add list, and inside your list, you can create a card. For example, type your task or something like this. So that's all. Thank you for watching and see you later.